Meaning and definition of human rights. I, Muhammad Kabir CP, Assistant Professor of History, Haji Garutala Uttara Haudia College, Uttamapalayam. Meaning of human rights. Norberto Bobbio stated that we now live in an age of rights. A right is a multi-dimensional dynamic concept, embracing almost all areas of life, like social, cultural, economic, and political fields. According to Professor H.J. Lusky, rights are those conditions of social life without which no man can be his best self. Professor Green defines a right as a power claimed and recognized as contributory to common good. Human rights are referred as a fundamental rights, basic rights, inherent rights, natural rights, and birth rights. Human rights are rights of exceptional importance and belong to every individual by virtue of being a human. These rights are necessary to ensure the dignity of every person as a human being irrespective of race, religion, language, caste, sex, or any other reason. The concept of human right is based on the notion of equality of human being. The features of human rights are they are universal, incontrovertible, and subjective. Human rights are universal, means they belong to each of us, regardless of ethnicity, race, gender, sexuality, age, religion, political conviction, or type of government. They are incontrovertible, means they are absolute and innate. Human rights are subjective, means they are properties of individual subjects who possess them because of their capacity of rationality, agency, and freedom. The notion of universality has been criticized for its blindness towards the issue of cultural differences. When human rights are guaranteed by a written constitution, they are known as fundamental rights because a written constitution is the fundamental law of the state. Definitions of human rights. According to S. King, human rights are claims and demands essential to the protection of human life and the enhancement of human dignity, and should therefore enjoy full social and political sanctions. Subhash Kashyap opined human rights are those fundamental rights to which every man inhabiting any part of the world should be deemed entitled by virtue of having been born a human being. Millin defined human rights are simply what every human being owes to every other human being and as such represent universal moral obligation. According to Nickel, human rights are norms which are definite, high priority, universal, and existing and valid independently of recognition or implementation in the customs or legal system of particular countries. Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 states human rights mean rights relating to life, liberty, equality, and dignity of the individuals guaranteed by the Constitution or embodied in the international covenants and enforceable by courts in India. The United Nations Center of Human Rights defines human rights as those rights which are inherent in our nature and without which we cannot live as human beings. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which adopted on 1948, defines human rights as the rights derived from the inherent dignity of human person.